Meanwhile, dozens of Ukrainians are stranded in Tijuana right now. Ukrainians were being allowed into the United States because of the war that Russia started against the Ukraine. They were slowly starting to trickle in, applying for permission to enter the United States, escaping the war. Now that Title 42 has been reinforced by a judge, you're not allowed to make an application for asylum or entry at a U.S. border. You have to stay in Mexico while that is happening. That includes Ukrainians who are escaping the war.
So how were the Ukrainians that are allowed to come, how were they coming?
They were coming in because Biden overturned Title 42, but now a judge has decided that you can't.
Oh, wow.
Right. So now Ukrainians, they're stuck in Mexico. And they got two choices. They can try to remain in Mexico and see what's going to happen. Or they can go back to Europe. The United States is allowing 100,000 refugees to come from the Ukraine, but only if those applications originate from Europe.
Okay. Why would they go to Mexico first then? Like, when they could have just came straight from Europe?
What?
Why wouldn't they come straight from Europe then instead of go through Mexico?
Because the Ukrainian program just started.
Oh, okay.
Right. So before that, there was no way to come. There was no way to come.
And they probably spent whatever they had, just to get to Mexico. You can't go back.
Well, now they have to go back and apply for parole to come into the United States from Europe now.
Man.
And that, by the way, for Ukrainians to apply for parole to come in from Europe, you don't need a relative. You just need to know an American. So you apply for Ukrainians who want to apply for the Ukraine parole program. The United States is allowing 100,000 Ukrainians into the United States of America. The applications have to originate from Europe, and you need an affidavit of support from an American or a lawful permanent resident.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be your relative. But if you as an American or a lawful permanent resident are going to provide an affidavit of support for a Ukrainian person, you may be on the hook if they end up taking government assistance. Now, I doubt the Biden administration would ever go and start suing people if Ukrainians start, taking government assistance. But still, you're signing an affidavit of support with the government. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.